in Florence. We're heading over to Rome for the last leg of our trip. I'm really excited for Rome. That's the one that I am most looking forward to while out here in Italy. But look at this view. Just one last good look at this view. I did get the new Spinda that is part of the research rewards for this current month. So I'm gonna do that real quick. There he is. This one is for Florence, so maybe I can get a nice AR shot right here. We're finally in Rome. No, this is not quite the view that I was hoping for, but totally fine. It's a nice hotel room, and the city is pretty awesome. So I'm excited to go out and explore. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break before we do. But yeah, it's exciting to be here. Last day in Rome, last day in Italy really, and it's really sad to say that. I wish I could stay longer. Rome and Italy and all this stuff was just phenomenal, and yeah, one last day, but this is where I'm going to be spending it. Okay, so I'm in my last stop in Italy, and it is the Colosseum. Look at this. This thing is huge. So yeah, this is my last stop, and you know, before I forget, actually, I have my last research for the week. So this will be my first Entei with research, so that's good. Check that out. Awesome. That's a keeper right there. Niantic, are you ever gonna fix that bug that prevents us from being able to save these AR shots? I would like to know. Here we go, with the silver Pinhead Berry. Nah. One more time. And a card. And I'm officially done with Italy. So we just went through the Roman Forum, we just saw the Emperor's Palace, and of course the Colosseum and all this cool stuff. What a great trip this was. I really suggest you checking out Rome if you get a chance, and all the other parts of Italy that I was able to check out. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, folks. I really had a lot of fun, and it's gonna be a lot of fun editing this too, so hopefully it won't be too bad. But yeah, I'll catch you all later. Bye.